today. We wanted to circle back. I'm Viviana. I'm the Assistant Dean for Student Affairs and Director of ASAP, the Academic Support and Achievement Program.
My name is Alina. I am a peer coach and tutor here at ASAP.
Yeah, so those who participated in our skill surge, we have prizes. Alina has helped me put the students who have attended all 5 weeks into our little plant pot holder, and I'm going to draw from who our prize winners are. So I think, Alina, should we, including $100 prize at the end? Okay, so what are we giving up first?
Let's go with this Applied Health Sciences hat.
Okay, so our first winner for the Applied Health Sciences hat is D. Davis. Cool, all right. Flames, you got them? All right. Next up, yeah, UIC water bottle, AHS water bottle. So our next winner is Gail Arroyo. Awesome. Next up is the next water bottle winner, Caitlin Garcia. Awesome. And our UIC AHS flag, who's going to be our winner? Let me shake this up a little bit. Nate Coleman. And awesome. Okay, so personally, $100. We're going to put it in the cup, make it complete. Who will be our winner for the $100 cash? Cash is king. MJ Dinega. Awesome. Cool. All right, we got our winners.
Thank you guys.